Hello everyone. In this video, we are discussing the another concept of the function. In the previous video, I teach the basic concept of the function. In this video, I teach the about the other concept of the function, just like what is the domain, what is the range, what are the algebra of the function, and what are the types of the function. So first we will consider the topic, and that is the domain and range of function. Suppose we consider a function which is defined from set A to B, then it will be draw like, suppose it is A, it is B, it is C, it is D, it is 1, 2 and 3. 1 mapped with the 2, B mapped with the 1, C is also mapped with the 1 and D is mapped with the 3. So this is a function and represented by F. So all elements of set A is known as domain, and the elements of set B which have pre-image in set A, it is considered as a range. These are considered in range. Now another topic is codomain. It is 100% domain, and it is all the elements of B is known as codomain. So there are the two concepts which are derived from the set B. One is the codomain and second is the range. Then what is the difference between these two? These two are the same or the different? Sometimes these two are the same, and sometimes these two are the different. I explain these two terminology on the basis of example. Suppose we consider one example here, A, B, C and 1 and 2, like that. So here codomain equal to range, because all the elements of D have a pre-image in the set A. But if we consider the another example, suppose we consider the another example 1, 2, 3, and that is a x, y, z and w. Suppose it is mapped with like that. So here the codomain is considered as x, y, z and w, and the range is here the element w. The element w have not a pre-image in the set A, then it will be not considered in the range. So range is x, y, z. So we can say that on the basis of these two examples, the range is always subset of codomain. The range will be always the subset of codomain. It is the basic relation between the range and domain. Now I will consider the next topic, and that is the type of the function. There is some specific function which have some specific domain as well as range. So next topic I discuss the type of the function. In case of, we all know that there are the two types of the function which are present in the mathematics. One is the algebra and second is the non-algebraic. One is algebraic, not the algebra, algebraic. In case of algebraic function, there are the many type of the function. in case of non-algebraic function, which is known as the transcendental function, which is known as the transcendental function. So next topic is type of function. Type of function. In case of function, it is basically defined two types. One is algebra, and second is non-algebraic. Algebra is nothing, it is just algebraic. Non-algebraic, it is known as the transcendental function. In case of algebra, one is polynomial. In case of polynomial, there are the constant function. Second is linear function and cubic function. Mainly these three functions are considered in case of one function is missing, and that is the quadratic function. Okay, it is considered in a polynomial. And the second function is rational function. These two are the continuous function. And rest of is a piecewise, or we can say that the discontinuous function. That is the modulus function. Modulus function is not a discontinuous function, but it is just known as the piecewise function. Okay, modulus function, or it is also known as the absolute function. And the second is GIF, greatest integer function. It is the most important function. These functions are the very useful for the J-mains as well as J-advanced. These are the basic functions. And the next function is fractional part function. Okay. Other type of the function I will write here. And next function is one is the modulus, greatest fractional function, and second is the least integer function, or it is also famous the name Selby function. Next function is signal function. So these are the algebraic. These are known as the algebraic function. Now we will consider the non-algebraic function, that is the transcendental function. So one of the most famous transcendental function is the logarithm function. Logarithm function is not an algebraic function. Second, exponential function. Third is trigonometry function. All trigonometric function is not an algebraic function. And the fourth is ITF, inverse trigonometric function. These are the basic type of the function. Function is two types, algebraic, non-algebraic. In case of algebraic, there are two types of the function, continuous and piecewise. In case of continuous, there are the two types of the function, polynomial as well as the rational. In the case of polynomial, there is the three types. Divided into three types: constant, linear, quadratic, integral. Actually, the polynomial expression is like that: x की power n into a की power n into x की power n minus 1 n up to so on a1x plus b0. This expression is known as the polynomial. We have already known that any algebraic function is a polynomial function which have a power of polynomial. So these are the basic types of the polynomial. In the next video, we are discussing the domain of these function, domain as well as the range of these functions. Thank you.